Did you do it earlier?
And then they say she's been with using number 8, and she's scared to go bigger.
And number 8 is good too. It's smaller. I think it's better because you can control it so much better. I agree. I would try the bigger one, but if it holds too much of monomers, then you have any question on the IG?
Well, you have to shout out from Brazil.
Oh, hello.
And people wondering how you do on the camera.
Oh, it's really hard. Kim, you can tell she laughed at me right now. But thanks to every single of you. I really appreciate all of you tuning in. I hope the video is finding some helpful. But I promise if you work on not like if you are practicing and playing and doing your clients with that under camera, it's gonna be so much better. Look, I can't even move my arms right here because I'm gonna hit both poles of my camera's whatever mount right here. So I afraid I was like so, but it's okay. It's all good. It's so much fun. It's great that Kim got to see me, and she's always wonders like, how does he get all these videos that I'm watching every day? She's watching it when she come and get her nails done. She watched some of beautiful work, and she found some of work that I did video. So like, here's some cool tip and trick. Don't feel like discouraged or like feel like it's not helpful at all when you're doing it practicing or you're doing it even if some of you can go back to work at the moment and you'll be hopefully soon you're all gonna be back to the salon. But then you know if you do 1 or 2 nails and then you can show to the clients, they can able to seeing it. Like it's better to seeing it from like some of the nail tips during a quarantine time. And when they're seeing this, they can see it in a real person instead of just pictures only. And then it's done by you. Your clients will be so much excited and want to do the design.
And Chantel asked you, is that 180 grit?
This is 80 and 100. This one is 100 and this one is 80. I believe so. But it's really good. It's really soft. It's not like really aggressive at all. So I'm gonna turn the client's fingers. I would not go in coarse than that. Like I never using like 80s at all. So it's only like Thank you, Kim. Hey, Sarah. Hey, how are you? Oh, Sarah said it's really hard. Thank you, Sarah, for tuning in.
Start making video now.
Oh, good. Foxy, do it, girl. You can do it. Sarah, are you going live after this? After I'm live? This is Sarah telling me that 6 inches from her camera. I totally get it. Maybe I less than that. Okay. So I am going to using my ceramics. There are so many different ways and so many different beads, but I'm using a mediums right now. The medium bead. Okay, I'm gonna try to work much as possible.
Yep, Chantel says she needs help doing ombre and shipping. She just can't get it right.
Chantella, just hang on tight, love, because when we have a class that's gonna be available again, then definitely would love to have you, and then that's the way we can have it. It's like really hands-on. And just after one's like course that you we got an opportunity to share with you, you can able to get back and feel really ensure your ombre is gonna be like really, really precise. Because it's hard, even like sharing with you online, but hands-on is a big piece that I'm able to see what is we can able to like improve with troubleshooting, you know. I can do all day long to train with everyone. Thank you, Foxy. Do it, Foxy. You can do it. Kim, thank you so much. Your nails so gorgeous. Thank you for support. She said, okay. She doesn't have to get, you know, go nowhere, and then she doesn't have date tonight. So I said, okay, we want a date with our live video. I said, okay, do it. So because I'm shaping the nails is really nice and precise, and plus I did it earlier, I did the powders really like small portions. So of course that is really easy when I filing her nails. It's important to go into the cuticles. It's really cool in doing Kim nails now, but also it's like it's really far away. I'm keeping my beads, the kabai is flat, like parallels with the nail surface. Make sure it's all good. Just clean around the cuticles. And when you apply that earlier, I was sharing with the powder, if you closer the cuticles and stay like just a hair away from the cuticles, better. So then when later, when you file them, the shape, it's gonna be so much better. Let's see, it's underneath. It's really nice and clean. Good. Where's my buffer? Well, I have my... And you're gonna buff it on the center of the nails down. Miss Sarah said she's going live tonight. Hey, Genesee. Hey, love. Nika. Nika there. If you are there still. I just want to go over it one more time and compare the shape. Can I compare them one more time, Kim? Awesome. Kim, can you please wash your hands for me? No, so I appreciate it.